Chapter 10. Before, after and between 1 to 100. इस चैप्टर में हम 1 से लेके 100 तक के बीच काउंटिंग में जानेंगे before, after और between. When we count forward, the number on the left becomes before and the number on the right becomes after. जब हम लोग आगे की तरफ काउंटिंग करते हैं तो जो नंबर लेफ्ट साइड होता है वो हमारा बिफोर बन जाता है और जो राइट साइड होता है वो हमारा आफ्टर बन जाता है. What comes before, after and in between? हमें कुछ नंबर्स दिए गए हैं. हम उसमें बताएंगे कि इनसे पहले, इनके बाद में और इनके बीच में कौन से नंबर्स आएंगे. 6. What comes before 6? 5. What comes after 6? 7. 32. What comes before 32? 31. What comes after 32? 33. 51. 53. What comes in between them? 52. 9. What comes before 9? 8. What comes after 9? 10. 63. What comes after 63? 64. What comes after 64? 65. 70. 72. What comes in between them? 71. 12. What comes before 12? 11. What comes after 12? 13. 72. What comes before 72? 71. What comes before 71? 70. 41. 43. What comes in between them? 42. 18. What comes before 18? 17. What comes after 18? 19. 28. What comes before 28? 27. What comes after 28? 29. 38. 40. What comes in between them? 39. 78. What comes before 78? 77. What comes after 78? 79. 44. What comes before 44? 43. What comes before 43? 42. 24. 26. What comes in between them? 25. 55. What comes before 55? 54. What comes after 55? 56. 13. What comes after 13? 14. What comes after 14? 15. 34, 36. What comes in between them? 35. 81. What comes before 81? 80. What comes after 81? 82. 21. What comes before 21? 20. What comes before 20? 19. 64, 66. What comes in between them? 65. 99. What comes before 99? 98. What comes after 99? 100. 18. What comes before 18? 17. What comes after 18? 19. 33, 35. What comes in between them? 34. 32. What comes before 32? 31. What comes after 32? 33. 23. What comes after 23? 24. What comes after 24? 25. 21, 23. What comes in between them? 22. 98. What comes before 98? 97. What comes after 98? 99. 56. What comes before 56? 55. What comes before 55? 54. 49, 51. What comes in between them? 50. 45. What comes before 45? 44. What comes after 45? 46. 37. What comes before 37? 36. What comes after 37? 38. 69, 71. What comes in between them? 70. 28. What comes before 28? 27. What comes after 28? 29. 88. What comes after 88? 89. What comes after 89? 90. 98, 100. What comes in between them? 99. Teachers, note. Explain to the children that a successor after is found by adding 1 to a given number and a predecessor before is found by subtracting 1 from the given number. So, this chapter is finished. See you in next class.